Hello programmer, welcome back to another JavaScript tutorial, and in this tutorial we will learn about date_object. And as it name, by using date_object we can get date and time. But before that, first I'm gonna teach you about setInterval function. So go ahead and make a function current date. Now use setInterval function to call this function every second. Then inside a quotation, write the name of function which you want to call. Here we are calling current date. Then time in millisecond. So for 1 second we can write 1000. Now let's write some code inside a function to print something every second. Document dot write hi bear. Save this, and here we can see every second it print hi, and again in between a quotation we write the name of function which we want to call. After that we give a time interval in millisecond. Okay, now write some code to make a clock where d equal to new date, and here we assign date_object to d. Now to assign hour, make another variable where yachts equal to d dot get hour. Here d is date_object and get hour is its method. Now also write some code for minute and second where yum equal to d dot get minutes, where yes equal to d dot get seconds. Now make a paragraph where we can print the time p, then give it id show time. Then to display a clock in a paragraph, write document dot get element by id. Then write the id of paragraph show time dot inner html equal to hours column yes minutes column yum second column yes. Save this, and here we got. And again let's see how we got this. First of all, by using setInterval function, current date function is called every second, and whenever we call current date function, JavaScript assign date_object in a d variable. After that we use method of date_object to get hour, minute and second. Then in order to print this result in a paragraph to make a clock, we write a flowing code. At last we get a clock. And this much for this tutorial. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon.